Okay, hello Canvas users or SolidWorks users. I'm going to demonstrate part 3 from the second assessment task. So let's make a new part, make a sketch, and on this sketch we simply paste the dimensions that we need. So an easy way of doing this is just considering the plane of symmetry. So first we create that half circular shape, and let me do that by making a rectangle, and this rectangle has a radius of 32. So I add a fillet of 32 to this apex, 32, and then from a smart dimension from here to here, that is 64. And now adding another fillet of 32 to this apex, or if we can't, that's fine. Just let's make an arc from that center to here to here. All right, now I can trim these two edges, and trimming that extra here, and then there is 45 between that center and this edge. Adding a smart dimension here, 45, and also we want to add a hole with a diameter of 25. That is 12.5 radius, and then I need to extrude that shape by a thickness of 19 plus 21 plus 19. I mean, the other way is we can only make half of the part and mirror it, but because we did that on the other exercise here, we just make the full part. So I finished that sketch and have this one extruded by 19 plus 21 plus 19. So that is 19 times 2 plus 21. Blind, 19 times 2 plus 21. And then I just make a half, I just make a mid plane between these two sides. Just going to the reference geometry, one plane here, one reference here, and then my mid plane goes right in the middle. Over there, I make a sketch, and that sketch, I do a convert entities, borrowing this and that. Also, I borrow this one. Now there are 3 lines here. That line I would offset this line by 28, 28, and then I can simply connect from here to here and from here to here. I don't need that line there. And that shape can be cut extruded from the middle. So I go to the feature, extrude cut, mid plane, and that is to be cut extruded by 21 from mid plane, 21. So we managed to empty between these two legs, but then I need to create that shape also as a positive. So I go back to the same plane, make a new sketch, and in that sketch, simply grab this line, making a convert entities. And then that line has to be offset by 28. That line go to offset by 28. 28. This one in the reverse direction. And now I also need to convert entity this line, which all right. So what happened is I started with the wrong line. Let's do a convert entities from this line, and that line to be extruded, to be offset by 28 in the reverse direction. And now we simply extend this line by 75. So let's make the size of this line 75. First, I need to remove the relation between this and where it was extracted from, and then enlarging this by 75. 75. And also, let me extract that circle. I convert this circle into the non-constructional line such that it won't interfere with the shape. So now the center of this and the center of that line has to be horizontal, and that line, I make this one, the size of this line equal to, so let's remove that relationship. And now making this, the length of this line equal to the diameter of 64. And again, the center of this line has to be with that center horizontally aligned. And then we connect from the end of this line. We simply made a trapezoid right in the middle, and that trapezoid um, yeah, that trapezoid has to be extruded, boss extruded from the mid plane. And all right, now we made that middle part. Next, I'm going to just make a sketch on this plane. And on this sketch, let's draw a rectangle from here to there. And that rectangle is 75 in height and 63 in width, 63. And then another rectangle, this time, yeah, another rectangle from here to here. Or let me just bring rectangle hand-free like so. And that is 38, 35, and is this 35? Yeah, that's 35. And we simply cut that line here and selecting this line and make them equal. So it seems we created the shape, and all remain is to have this one extruded from the mid plane and has to be extruded by 75. All right. Yeah, that is, I think, the end of this part is being fully created. And I hope you find this video useful. Bye for now.